Hi friends, welcome to FNOPulse.com. Today 31st May 2022. Let's see how FNO Pulse useful in market analysis and how I booked 4,700 profit in intraday options trading. I will be explaining about what is FNO Pulse. FNO Pulse is future of the options pulse. You will catch the pulse of futures, options and equity stock. By this particular analysis, you will be understanding when to catch the market. This pulse will be very useful to catch the market pulse. Firstly, the idea of introducing what is FNO pulse to the outside world is very good. As far the data part is concerned, we source the data from NSE. This get auto refresh every minute. We analyze this data using several data analytics and put the data in quick readable form through data visualization tools. Just to correct a thing, open interest. What is open interest? Open interest is total number of outstanding contract at the particular strike. So understanding what open interest actually happening in the market. So this is the main thing you will be understanding about FNO Pulse. Let's explain about how you have to watch in FNO Pulse. First you have to log in. Once you log in, it will be taking you to analyze how the global market is working. Dow future, we are bringing the charts here, and also crude oil and USD INR. These three will be useful for us to understand the global market. According to that, our market will be reacting. So according to that, our trade will begin for the day. The immediate next step is market info. The market info is all about total advance and decline of in Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and sector wise. In Nifty 50 now it's showing 30 are at advanced stage and 20 in decline stage. The stocks which are the price change is more than 1%, definitely you can go for the trade with if it is 1% change in price, 5 to 8 points definitely you will be getting for intraday. Let's take Tata Consumers. It's a 3.3878% change. So there will be ups and downs will be there, but you can easily catch the market with candlesticks patterns and understand your entry and go take the entry with 5 to 8 points. You can book your profit. M&M also, JSW Steel. All these things you can understand and take the trade. Very easily you will booking a good profit. Next, let's explain about Nifty. In the screen, we're going to understand how the Nifty is performing. Here, the spot price is Nifty index price. The future price is the current month Nifty future price. The max pain, where the writers, the put and call contracts are very aggressive, the max pain reacts. Definitely, the market will break out to the max pain level. Example, let's keep the market price. Market price is 16,900, and in Bank Nifty 38,000. The max pain is 16,800. The 16,900, the max pain. Sorry, market price 16,900. The max pain is 16,800. The market will come back to the 16,800 if it's not crossing the second half. Thus, if the market continue 16,900 in second half, the max pain remains 16,800. The market will come to the reverse direction. The PCR trend 0 to 0.5, we mentioning it as strong bearish. 0 to 0.9 bearish. 1 to 1.2 is neutral. Now it is 0.95. Sorry, 0.95 to 1.2 is neutral. Now it's 0.95. 1.2 to 1.5 is bullish. 1.5 and above is a strong bullish. According to that, the PCR trend we understand. PCR trend is all about put call ratio. OA interpretation. It is all OA change happening. The long, it will be in long unwinding short covering, long build-up, like that depends on the market ups and down. It keeps changing. Technical trend. The technical trend we are calculating with 12 parameters. Based on that, we deciding the market is bearish, bullish, or neutral. If it is bullish means strong bullish, bearish means strong bearish. Trend rating. The neutral trend, if it now it's showing strong bearish is 12. Out of 12 parameter, the 12 are in strong bearish shape. So we are mentioning as out of 12 parameters that 12 of the 12 is in strong bearish. Same way, neutral and bullish should be coming in this. Technical strength is 100%. In bearish side, it is 100%. So market is in good bearish side. This four thing, moving average 50, 200, VWAM, pivot points. These things are used for intraday by all the intraday players. So this will be useful to understand that market is in bullish or bearish for comparing to moving average 20, 200, VWAM and pivot points. Here the futures. Future current month. Nifty June, Nifty July, Nifty August. These three are coming here. According to the open, high, low, last trade price change, OA change, volume, and everything is showing here. According to that, the long build-up and short build-up will be showing here. The Nifty stock futures, the Nifty, which are the stocks which playing a major role in Nifty, it's coming here. The same way you can identify for Bank Nifty also. Same procedure. Then heat map is here. You all know that heat map is similar. The Bank Nifty only one was in bullish, other all on bearish side. Nifty also you can see the heat maps here. Next is let's see about stock. Here we are showing only for futures. You can do intraday equity stocks also. For example, all these are for future stock. -1 means current month future. -2 means next month future. -3 means 4-month future. Like this, you can easily identify your market. Bharat Food 706 is entry price is given. Here it's showing that today day I went to 720. Almost 15 points we got in this trade. How we got this 15 points? Let's decide. First, morning you just go through this. All the buy levels would be given here. When you see there is a 1 point upside, just take the trade separately and note it down. Now let's see how to enter them. Around what time the 706 came into the market. Let me explain now. Morning around 9:50 to 9:80, within the 3 minutes by opening itself, the entry price was executed. So if we enter around 706 or 707, even 708, the market volatility will be there. So 708, if you enter, definitely you will be booking a profit of 10 to 11 points in intraday trade. So make sure that you trade according to that and book your profit accordingly. The sell below. The sell call is not executed in Bharat 4, so it's all positive side. So we definitely got 10 to 12 points easily. Whenever you go just taking this entry level as this one, you make the stop loss as nearly 687, 1 point before this one, 689 like that. Okay, so that will be easy for you to entry with the stop loss. Like that, each and every trade you can monitor in this. Hero Motors 11, it given 11 points. Godrej Property it given 45 points today. 1366. The 1366 future price. In 1366 the entry was given. The entry took place and it given up to 45 points. If it's giving the stocks which are more than 1500 or 2000 only, if we get 20 points, that's it. This stocks is 1400 range. We got 45 points in this. If you complete the trade within 15-20 points for intraday, that will be more sufficient for you. You just all go through this and understand and learn these things and use this trading strategies in your intraday. It will be very useful for you for trading. Next, let's see about options. In options, OA data analysis we have to do first. In OA data analysis, we can do it for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stocks. I am going to show you for Nifty and Bank Nifty. How you going to find out for this? In Nifty, you have to find out whether it is bullish. Bullish means you have to choose call side. First, you have to find the strike price. The middle, the yellow stripe, which is the current trending market, 35,500. For example, 35,520, it will be the 35,500. Now you have to check which is there is more volume change as happening in which one, in which strike price. It's in 36,000 for call. Nearly 6 crore 46 lakhs volume change is happening here. So people, we have to choose this one. Whenever the market is an upside, definitely we will get good points in this. The last traded price is 81. Today, if you taken around 150 like that, if you enter, it may given a good returns around 50 to 80 points is more sufficient for intraday in Bank Nifty. Now let's show you Nifty also. Same way you have to select for all option to left side, right side all are put options. First, let me explain you with my profit. Today I booked a profit 4,702. Total profit is 4,702. In Nifty 16,600 C. Why I have chosen 16,600? Let's see. Sorry, 16,600. The morning we have to check it in left side the call option. I have taken the call option and 16,600. Morning the volume changes have more volume change happening. The long build-up is also happened here. So I have chosen this. The afternoon it went to all the bearish side. If we taken 16,500, the last trade price is 81 rupees. The day is 111 rupees. If we taken afternoon the put options, hence we will be in good profit. So overall I have put 4,700 profit for intraday. OA strike price. OA strike price also you have to understand this. Then only you have to make the trade much easier. For example, morning it was below zero. Below zero means you have to wait for to take the CE call. If it is coming from top to bottom means you can definitely go for PE call. Once it touched zero, the market started moving upside. Around 130 and all, the market went to went high. This is OA difference between call and put options. So we have to understand this. You just put this screen in parallelly, separate screen, and keep monitoring according to your trading time frame. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes, so that it keeps changing. Once it's come to zero, again it's going to be bullish side. So it went to minus 60 lakhs like that. So you have to concentrate more on options OA strikes. So this will be definitely a good analysis for you to get into the trade. If you have any doubt in FNO Pulse, you just contact us. If you daily you have to understand the market and keep trading for intraday. FNO Pulse is future and options pulse. Very useful to get minimum 500 rupees profit without fail for intraday trading. If you using all the things properly and controlling emotions, definitely you will be getting good profit in intraday trading. Thank you. Happy trading.